Hello and welcome to the Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Dara. So, the post-rate hike rally continues for the cryptocurrency market, with the total market capitalization inching about the $1.1 trillion mark for the first time in over 6 weeks. So, IC15 index of the cryptocurrencies was up by 5.04% at 34,153 points. Bitcoin was trading at $24,000 levels, up 4.4%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 6% to trade at $1,720. So the price of Bitcoin is currently hovering about $24,000, which is up more than 4% on a day as markets embrace the latest measures taken by the US Central Bank to combat inflation and the signs that the economy is weakening but not yet entering a recession. That is the reason why we have seen a bounce in the market. Despite GDP falling more sharply than anticipated, the leading cryptocurrency by market capitalization briefly crossed the $24,000 mark, which is Bitcoin, for the first time in more than a week. So this is actually a positive sign wherein we have seen a bounce back in the cryptocurrency market. So let me give you a technical perspective view. The Bitcoin has closed above the 50-day moving average for 2 days, and the closing the week above $22,700 mark would be a telling return for the territory above the 200-week moving average. So what does this mean? Such a technical indicator could inspire retail buyers. That's what market analysts are saying, and the other factors are at work for institutions. So notably, a recovery in demand for the risk assets and pullback of the dollar from the multi-year high. These are the two reasons that can attract the institution buyers. That's what the market is anticipating. So risk taking is surging as the US economy shrank for the second straight quarter, increasing the likelihood that the Fed will look to tighten at a slower pace at its next policy meeting in September, which is actually 2 months from this date. So Ethereum is also headed towards its best month since 2021 amid a revival of the risk appetite in the global stock markets and optimism about the Ethereum network upgrade. That's what we have already been reading about and telling you about the Ethereum merge and its upgrade. This week, Ethereum developers have signaled continued progress in testing new system, and they are holding a series of events for prospective stakeholders and other community members in the coming weeks to actually advise them and to educate them about what is the recent development happening in the network. So in the past 24 hours, 121,802 traders short positions were liquidated. The total liquidation comes at around $482 million. That's the reason why we have seen a bounce. So on my left, Binance BNB was up by 8.2% to trade at $290. Ripple XRP was trading at $0.37, up by 5%. Cardano's ADA is next on the list, which is up by 7.2% at $0.53. Avalanche FX was trading at $24.5 with a 7% strength. Shiba Inu was trading higher by 5.7%. Polkadot was up by 6% at $8. Doge, the popular meme coin, was also trading higher by 6% at $0.070. Polygon Matic was up by 9% at $0.95. Last on the list is Solana Sol, was up by 8% and was trading at 42.9, which is $43. So let's give you a technical perspective view from our technical expert Ayushi Verma. Ayushi, welcome on Crypto TV.
Thank you, Manoj, for inviting me here. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first, and this is the daily chart of Bitcoin. Now, if you look at here, in fact, we were talking about this thing in the past few videos as well, that the price is just creating the higher lows, which is something which looks interesting, if the price needs to reverse, if the price needs to continue. So this is something which looks interesting here. Also, I just want to focus on the last low, when the price made a last low. I'm just talking about this area. So this is something, price went up to 22,600, trade there for some time, fell down, but the interesting part, the important part is that the price just took up a support here. So this is something which is interesting. And after taking up a support, the price starts moving towards upside. So if you talk about the current situation, the price is just trading higher than 22,600. So now at one point of time, the Bitcoin was struggling at 17,000 level, 17,500 level. For most of the time, it was trading at 20,000 level. So now we are getting little or a slight momentum towards the upside, that the price is just trading at around 22,000 levels here. Now what you can see here, we can just look at the resistance, and the resistance you can take up at 25,823. So this area, this could be acting as a resistance, and 22,600 could be your support area. Now if let's say if the this price momentum happens to be good, if the price moves sharply upside, we will definitely see that the price will trade at around resistance. That will be important. That is the first step that we should look at. The next thing which we should definitely look at is the 100 EMA level. Now if you look at here, since the price is rising, you can see that the difference between these two moving averages, the 100 and 200 EMA, is now starts converging. It's now these two moving averages are coming together. So that is something which should be if you look at the technical setup, so this is something which looks or which gives me a hint, or which gives me an indication that something gonna happen in the near future. So the next thing, once the price should close above then the resistance, the next thing that we should look at is whether the prices just hold up this at least this 100 EMA level or not. So this is something you can look at here. And for the Ethereum, even if you look at the Ethereum, so Ethereum is showing more strength if you compare it with Bitcoin. Now look at here, almost the same setup was there for a good period of time. For good number of days the price was just trading at 1510 level. This is the level, and now yesterday it just exactly closes at the resistance level of 1725. So yesterday's close, it happens to be at the resistance. The interesting thing which we should definitely talk about here is the increasing volume. So this is something I can see that yes, from here people are getting more attractive towards this particular cryptocurrency. So now if and also Bitcoin needs to wait for some more time to come higher than the 100 EMA, but here just look at this Ethereum, you can definitely see that it's very near, or you can say that it's just hovering around at the important resistance level, which is 1725. Also the 100 EMA is at that level only. So 100 EMA level is 1770. So if the price closes higher than this, you will definitely see that the 200 EMA will be will look an achievable target or something. So we will definitely see the price will reach towards that particular area. So now what we need to see again, the price is going up, but the momentum or the strength is still missing. So volumes are still missing. So and of course in between you will definitely see profit booking as well. Now what we can see, we can just wait for the closing price. If that happens higher than this 100 EMA, we will definitely sure that the price will reach towards the 200 EMA as well. So this is something which we can look at, and I think we should wait for the closing price of the Bitcoin as well as for the Ethereum.
Thank you so much, Ayushi, for giving this technical perspective view for our viewers. So cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment bets. That's all there is in today's The Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Dara signing off, but keep watching Crypto TV for more such interesting updates. Thank you.